Hey everyone, and welcome back to Byte Boardroom, the channel where we connect model minds to boardroom results. If you're new here, I'm Minchiol, a software engineer who loves exploring the intersection of deep tech and business strategy. This is part 2 of our deep dive into ADHD and the AI era. In part 1, we established a powerful idea that the so-called distraction common in ADHD-like brains isn't a flaw, but a feature, a kind of parallel processing perfectly suited for this new age. We also discussed the superpowers of divergent thinking and hyperfocus. If you missed it, I recommend checking that out first. Today, we're moving from theory to practice. I'll show you exactly how we can use the immense potential of AI as an external API or a coprocessor for our brains. The core idea is this: using AI as scaffolding for our executive functions. Executive functions are the mental processes that allow us to plan, organize, initiate tasks, and manage working memory, the very areas where many people with ADHD tendencies face challenges. AI can fill in the exact gaps where we struggle. First, the automation of the mundane. Hand off the cognitive tasks like summarizing long meeting notes, drafting endless emails, or organizing scattered files to an AI. We can then invest the mental energy we save into what really matters: creative ideation and problem solving. Second, overcoming initiation paralysis. A huge, intimidating task like design the architecture for a new app can be overwhelming, right? You can give that prompt to an AI, and it will break it down into small, actionable steps. This dramatically lowers the activation energy needed to just get started. This goes beyond just personal productivity. It's fundamentally changing how we work. The future will likely see hybrid human-AI teams, where one person directs a team of 15 to 20 specialized AI agents. In this model, the human's role shifts from executor to conductor or strategist. Your job is to set the creative direction, define the goals, and orchestrate your AI team. Now, who is best suited for this role? Exactly. People like us who are skilled at seeing the big picture, exploring multiple possibilities, and making intuitive leaps. Of course, as an engineer, I have to add a responsible perspective. This isn't a utopia. If AI is trained only on neurotypical data, it could reinforce harmful stereotypes or exclude people like us. Also, over-reliance on AI could risk atrophying our own cognitive skills. So, it's our responsibility, those of us who build, adopt, and use this technology, to design AI inclusively, use it critically, and ensure it's a scaffold for growth, not a crutch. The era of LLMs isn't just a technological leap, it's a chance to redefine our own unique cognitive styles and work habits. What was once labeled distracted is now being reframed with AI as efficient and creative parallel processing. For a long time, we've had to force ourselves to fit into the world's systems. Now, the world's technology is starting to resemble our brains. So please, stop thinking of your unique way of thinking as a weakness. It is your single most powerful asset for the era that's coming. Thanks for watching. Share your thoughts in the comments on how you think AI will change the way we work. Unless anything special comes up, the next video will be about the perspective of looking at opportunities in the LLM era.
From tokens to takeaways, Byte Boardroom. Subscribe now and join the future of ideas.